The Shoreline sure saw some of the biggest snow totals out of this blizzard, and tonight people are still trying to clean up the mess left behind. NBC Connecticut's Jeremy Chen continues our Storm Tracker team coverage from Niantic. Jeremy.
Yeah, Keisha, we are in the downtown area right now, and you can just see how hard the winds were blowing with all that snow. Just take a look at the snowdrift over here in front of this building, Village Wine and Spirits. This is nearly almost to the roof, and as you can see, this made it difficult at times for people to clear up all that snow along the shoreline.
I've been out here for probably almost 24 hours, if not more now.
It's been a busy day and night for plow drivers along the shoreline. This truck clearing out a commercial parking lot in Waterford after a blizzard pummeled the area. All the snow pushed into piles more than 10 feet high.
Nothing like anything we've ever had, for sure. This is at least the most snow I've ever pushed.
The blizzard bringing almost 2 feet of snow or more along the shoreline, which wasn't surprising for drivers there.
The shoreline's always worse too, in my opinion, to be honest, but yeah, it's a lot of snow.
In Niantic, plow drivers say it took a lot longer to clear the snow compared to the last storm a few weeks ago.
It was a lot easier then because it was so light, and now it's like heavy, so it's a lot harder on the equipment and to just handle.
In New London, people were out in force with shovels and snow blowers, clearing pathways and getting cars out.
I'm really tired. I think we're pretty much done. The car looks pretty clean.
All of them hoping next winter won't be as bad.
We definitely got our snowstorm this year, which is pretty nice. I mean, hopefully next year won't be that bad.
And back out here live, you can see that ribbon over there. There's a breeze coming through, and at times we have had some bursts of gusts. So wind chill definitely a factor. And if you're someone that has not yet cleared out your driveway or your sidewalk, it may be a good idea just to push that off to tomorrow when the sun is up and it's much warmer. Live in Niantic, Jeremy Chen, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha, I'll send it back to you.